As you can see, I was able to use only these 5 well-known programs to make $100 each day in pure passive income. It is accessible anywhere and totally free to use. By just installing these programs on your smartphone, you can start earning money online and work from anywhere in the world. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Let's start with Lifecoin, the first app on our list. In the Lifecoin platform, you can receive payment for moving about. You might start earning money for walking as soon as you install the app. Moreover, both iOS and Android users can download this software. As a result, depending on whether your smartphone is an Android or an iOS model, you can get it from Play Store or App Store. The program also provides a range of payment choices, which is advantageous. As a result, even if PayPal is unavailable in your country, you can still accept payment for commodities like sporting goods and other gift cards. Although PayPal is typically the best option, you can still get paid in the form of more gift cards, a new iPhone, Apple AirPods, Apple Watches, and other things even without it. To view their most recent accolades, visit often as they are constantly introducing new products. Furthermore, getting it from the Play Store or App Store is cost-free, as I just shown. You can, however, also download the app from their official website if you'd like. Visit lifecoin.ai, the app's official website, to get started. Selecting the relevant category will allow you to install the app on your smartphone. This one doesn't even require you to leave your home. All you have to do is download the app to your phone and put it in your pocket. This software will pay you only for downloading it. No boring tasks or questionnaires are necessary. You can make money just by taking a stroll through your beautiful city. You can begin accruing points as soon as you install the app and keep your phone in your pocket. These points can be used to buy a variety of delights. As I've demonstrated, you can obtain 100 gift cards several times, which enables you to generate pure passive money online without doing any work yourself. MoneySMSApp.com is the second application we suggest. One of my favorite tools for making passive income online is this one. As you can see, this happens automatically thanks for the free Android app Making Money Online SMS. You may automatically make money online by getting SMS that their system creates. With the help of this tool, you can earn money entirely passively and without putting any effort into it. You will be paid to receive SMS from them as soon as you install the app, without having to do anything more. You have the choice to immediately delete an SMS after receiving it without even reading or opening it. They are simply testing out various systems. They won't be showing you any advertisements or asking you to participate in any surveys or other activities. To start receiving a few text messages each day that you may delete right away and don't even need to read. You merely need to download the app. You will be paid for each message that you get. Because it doesn't access any of your personal conversations or utilize any other data, the software is completely secure. So, this software won't be used to collect data in that way. They don't charge anything to use their software, and they solely read their own test SMSs. All you need to do is download the app. You can search for it on Google or the Google Play Store. Just look for, download, and set up a Money SMS app. In less than a minute, you may register, and after you do, you can immediately begin getting automatic text messages. For every message you get, you will be paid between 3 and 4 cents, or around $1 and $2. Each communication you receive will cost about 3 to 4 cents in US dollar, even if this is listed in euros. If you have 2 euros, you can withdraw your money. There is no waiting at all while receiving hundreds of dollars or anything else. If you have any cash, you may use this app to withdraw it right away, and it processes payments very rapidly. As you can see, this serves as proof as a user's earnings. They accept PayPal and allow withdrawals every 48 hours. I am aware that many of you prefer the PayPal substitutes. If you're attempting to figure out whether this is a scam or a genuine opportunity, consider why they're paying you. Money SMS, on the other hand, maintains compliance with the most recent GDPR privacy policy standards by taking all necessary precautions. You can read more details about this program here if you're not sure whether to install it or not. By clicking the link that will lead you to that website, you may find out more information about the app. Also, I looked up the app on Google for you and found a ton of reviews and comments highlighting its effectiveness and profitability. This app is used every day by more than 400,000 users who have already paid more than $300,000. On our list, Sophia.io is the third application. You can get paid for disclosing your data and voicing your opinions on the Sophia app. But don't worry, you are not required to express your opinions with this software. You are free to merely submit statistics and still earn a reasonable sum of money that is entirely passive. As you can see below, this program has a download meter that will enable you to generate passive revenue by just disclosing your data usage. By participating in surveys and providing your feedback, you can, but are not required to, increase your profits. One of the most popular platforms for online passive income is Sophia. You may effortlessly withdraw money to PayPal from here. Simply provide your PayPal email address to receive money right away. To start earning money with the app, just download and install it on your smartphone. Make a Sophia account and authenticate it. Activate a few basic app permissions to grant Sophia access to your data. After that, you can begin to make money by just sharing your data. Now, on the website's homepage, I want you to click on these 3 lines. The authority to control how it works. Then, you'll be taken to a website where you can see that a qualified day is one in which this app meter has been left operating in the background of your device for at least 8 hours. You can earn $1 in pure passive income by repeating the same action for 7 qualifying days. They don't even have to be consecutive. Although $1 may not seem like much, bear in mind that since it is 100% passive income, you won't have to do anything to receive it. It only has to be installed before you may leave the program running in the background. The name of the 4th program is Mobile Expression Panel. The original app is pretty similar to the one. All that is required for them to gather some data from your phone and pay you is for you to install the app. You can also download this app and every other app mentioned in this video on every other device you own. You can earn more money if you have more devices. Even if you have just one phone, things will still be amazing. But if you have several, you can earn at least 4 times as much money as you could if you only had one. And even while you are not actively working, the background tasks that are completed on your smartphone without your input pay you $15 to $20 per month just for having the app loaded. The installation and creation of a free account are the only requirements. If you just want to withdraw your money to continue generating a regularly passive income from the app without doing anything actively, you won't even need to log into it any longer. Simply said, you can't quit considering the app. It's also amazing that over 1 million people have downloaded this app. Also, this app has been operating for a while, which strengthens its reliability, as they would have vanished by now if this were a fraud. It is clear that it is not, but this one has been operating for a while, and for a while now. Individuals all across the world have been earning money through the Mobile Expression Panel. Hence, all you have to do to start using the app to earn money is download it. Not to mention, there is a program called Honeygain.com. This program is one of my all-time favorites for earning passive income online because it is the most reliable. In addition, the first app and the 4th app I just mentioned are comparable to Honeygain. You can make money here as well by offering to share your internet. You can open a demo lesson that shows you how to use Honeygain on your device by just pressing the play button. Honeygain also ensures that only trustworthy partners use your internet traffic. They never request or have access to your device's storage, which is a perk. This service has shown to be the safest and most secure way to get passive income through data sharing thus far. Each withdrawal from Honeygain costs an average of $26, which is great because it enables you to create money completely for free while also indulging in pure passive income. Around 250,000 people utilize the service every day. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.